Hi, this is Dave with Veterans National Mortgage. One of our favorite questions that we hear a lot is, which do I choose first? My real estate agent or my loan officer? This question goes back almost to the chicken and the egg for our industry. I'm a loan officer, so I'm going to explain why I think the loan officer should come first. First, we get it. Loans aren't pretty. Nobody wakes up in the morning and says, man, I would love to go do a bunch of paperwork that's going to put me into debt. That sounds like fun. I know, that's not fun at all. But hear me out for a second. Let's take an example of a car. Say I want to go buy a Lamborghini because I love them. They're the most awesome car in the world. So I say, okay, I'm going to go look at Lamborghinis. There's two dealerships, I think. La Jolla, Los Angeles. So I drive over to La Jolla, I spend hours looking at Lamborghinis, I drive them, go up to Los Angeles, I get a hotel, spend a couple days looking at Lamborghinis. I finally sit down and say, okay, I'm ready. Let's go get my yellow Lamborghini. Sit down, I start to do all the paperwork with the car salesman, and all of a sudden he says, okay, here's your payment. It's $3,200 to lease this Lamborghini. What? I make like $5,000 a month. How am I going to afford that payment? I can't. This is just an example, but I don't have that Lamborghini. So when you go to look for your home, it's the same. A real estate agent can tell you what neighborhoods are nice, where you should purchase for the good schools, where your children are going to have most fun, where the parks are. They know everything about your neighborhood that you want to purchase in. They know what types of houses to show you. They know if you want to look at a condo or if you want to look at a single family residence. But the one thing that an agent doesn't do is pre-qualify you for your mortgage. So when you go to look at a house, do you look at $500,000 houses or 6 or 8? I don't know unless I look at the documents, even for myself. So while homes aren't pretty, we know that houses are. Everybody wants to go look at kitchens. Everybody wants to go to open houses. While homes aren't pretty, we know that houses are. Everybody wants to go to the open houses and go look. So while that's great and fun, we need to know how much that we can afford. So if you start with your loan, then you can go out and house shop and be ready to purchase, whether it's 1 month, tomorrow, or 8 months away. Pre-qualification doesn't have to be painful. We only need a few documents to get started, and then you can get your pre-qualification letter and go shop for homes. If you'd like more information, you can reach out to us at veteransnationalmortgage.com. Click Apply Now, and we can give you a pre-qualification without a hard inquiry to your credit. We can also give you an interest rate quote in about 90 seconds. My team is standing by. You can also call direct at 888-922-2022. We look forward to helping you with your dream home. See you next video.